Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to add hours to a datetime field. For example, let's say we have a requirement where we have a start date time. Whenever a record is created with a start date time, the end date time should be plus 1 hour. We can create a trigger to do this. So in order to demo this, first I created two fields in account object. The first field is start date time, which is of type datetime. Next, I created another field called end datetime. It is also datetime field. I'm going to create a trigger in a way so that whenever a account record is created with the start datetime, automatically the end datetime should be plus 1 hour. So this is my sample trigger. So I'm iterating all the records so that it is bulkified, and then I'm checking whether the start date time is not equal to null, so that I'm doing a null check here. Next, I'm setting the end date time as start date time plus 1 hour. So this add hours will add 1 hour to it. If you want to go um, in the backwards, like if you set it as 11 a.m. and then if you want to set it as 10 a.m., then you can use -1. But my use cases, it should be 1 hour ahead, so I have used positive number 1. So if you want to set it like 2 hours interval, then you have to use 2 here. So this add hours will add how much time you enter inside this. So let's see this by creating a record. So I'm creating a sample account record, and I'm setting the date as 30th July and the time as 2 a.m. I'm leaving this end date time as blank so that it will automatically get populated through my trigger. So when I created this account record, I didn't set the date time. Automatically through the trigger and using this add hours, it added 1 hour to the start date time, and then it set the time as 3 a.m. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.